6 factorial over 5 factorial to the power 2 factorial. 6 factorial is equal to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 5 factorial is equal to 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 2 factorial is equal to 2 times 1. So let us express 6 factorial over 5 factorial to the power 2 factorial using these. Therefore, 6 factorial, which is 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 5 factorial, 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 to the power 2 times 1. This is equal to 5 into 5 is 1, 5 into 5 is also 1. So 4 cancels out 4, 3 cancels out 3, 2 cancels out 2, and then 1 cancels out 1. Here we are left with 6 over 1 to the power 2 times 1, that is 2. This will be equal to 6 squared over 1 squared. Why did we say that? You should remember that A over B to the power n is equal to A to the power n over B to the power B over B to the power n. So this is what we applied here. 6 over 1 squared is equal to 6 squared over 1 squared. What is 6 squared? 6 times 6, 36, and 1 squared is 1. So our final answer is 36.